In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an epic to a task in Jira. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can quickly link your task to the right epic and keep your project organized. Let's start from your Jira project. First, make sure you're logged into Jira and you're on the main screen where your projects are listed. From there, click on the project where the task lives. This will open your project board or list view depending on how your Jira is configured. You should now see your issues, such as tasks, stories, or bugs, laid out in columns or in a list. Next, locate the specific task you want to connect to an epic. You can either scroll through the board or use the search and filter options if you have a lot of issues. Once you find the right task, click on it to open its details panel. This usually appears on the right side of the screen or in a new page, showing the task summary, description, status, and other fields. Within this task view, look towards the upper left area of the details panel for the option to add an epic. In some Jira layouts, you'll see a label or a small field that lets you choose or add an epic. Here, click on the control that says something like Add Epic or Epic on the left side. This will open a small drop-down or input field where you can either select an existing epic or specify a new one, depending on how your project is set up. Now, choose the appropriate epic for this task. If you're working from a predefined list, scroll or type to search for the correct epic name and select it. Make sure you pick the epic that best matches the goal or feature this task belongs to, so your reporting and planning will stay accurate. After you've selected the epic, look for the Save option in the task details. This is often a simple save button, or the field might auto-save when you click away, but to be safe, click on Save if that button is visible. This step confirms your change and attaches the epic to the task. Once saved, you should see the chosen epic displayed on the task. That's it. You've successfully inserted an epic to a task in Jira.